In front of me is POCO F6 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by launching Settings and clicking on Bluetooth. Then tap on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature if it's not already on and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Finally, hit pair. Wait for the other device to do the same. And after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!